So this is a rhombus, and if it's a rhombus, then the diagonals are perpendicular. That means the measure of angle 3 is 90 degrees. Because perpendicular means it forms right angles, and right angles are 90 degrees. So the measure of angle 3 is 90 degrees. Remember, if it's a rhombus, the diagonals bisect the angles. That means angle E has been bisected. So if this is 27 degrees, the measure of angle 4 is 27 degrees. Then a rhombus is a parallelogram, and parallelograms have some traits that will help find us the other angle measures. The one that we'll need is that if it's a parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent. So if this whole angle is 27 and 27, or 54 total, then angle G is 54 total. And again, the rhombus's diagonals bisect each other. So angle 1 and 2 are both 27, just like angle 4 and this angle are 27 degrees. Which leaves us with determining the measure of angle 5 and 6. Well, there's another trait about parallelograms that's going to help us, and it is that if it's a parallelogram, then consecutive angles add up to 180 degrees. So angle E is 54 degrees. How much is angle F? Let's redraw this picture a little bit to make it seem a little simpler. There we go, like this. So if consecutive angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, then 54 degrees plus this angle here adds up to 180. So 180 minus 54 is 126. All right, and the diagonals of the rhombus bisect the angles. So 5 and 6 are half of 126. 126 divided by 2 is 63 degrees. Angle 5 and angle 6 both have a measure of half of that, which is 63 degrees. Well, I hope that helped.